Everybody, welcome back to another video about IDEX token with surprise update. In this video I'm going to share with all of you the live update of IDEX. So let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, guys. So let's start the video, guys. The right now price of IDEX is about 0.4836 USD dollar. That is a right now price of IDEX. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occur, so the changes is about negative 7.6% just in the last 24 hours. Now the falls of IDEX are start. The falls start. So alert, guys. Now a lot of people, you know what, a lot of people when see a small fall, so they decide to sell. But now it is a loss time. I know it is a bait time. 11% the trading volume decrease. Same like that, the fully diluted market cap also decrease, and market cap also decrease, guys. So everything going negative in our IDEX. But guys, that's not mean that you decide to sell. Absolutely, now the price becomes more low. If the changes is negative, that's mean that the price becomes more low. And personally, I believe, guys, that buy now, because now it's very cheap. And after 1 year, after 2 months, the price will again pump, so the price will become high. So invest now in a IDEX. It is opportunity with all of you, guys. Don't miss this opportunity and take a profit, take a benefit of this opportunity, guys. Invest now. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.